What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your messenger connecting problem. So when this problem occurs, your messenger is just gonna say no internet connection, please try again. You can't send message, you can't receive message, alright? So to fix this error, watch the video until the end. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and let's jump into the video without any further ado. The first reason behind this problem could be your slow internet connection. Sometimes it's like the least expected thing. So most people think, all right, my internet is working, but no, sometimes your mobile would not be connected to an internet and you think it is. So to fix that issue, just go to YouTube, try to watch a video in a high quality. If it plays, then it works. If it doesn't, then you need to fix your internet. All right, at least make sure the video plays in 360p. All right, if it doesn't, then your internet connection is way too slow and Messenger is showing this. But if your internet connection is not the issue, the next step is you can go to your Play Store or your App Store. So this is iPhone, so I'm gonna go on my App Store over here, and over here you want to search for Messenger. Once you search for Messenger, make sure it is updated. So on my screen it says open, but in your screen if it says update, it is not updated. If it shows open, it's up to date. If it says update, you need to click on that update and update your Messenger. And even after updating your Messenger, it still doesn't fixes it. Go on setting. So once you're in setting, go on general, scroll a bit down, go on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset network settings, and it's gonna reset all the network setting, and it's gonna take you back to the default setting, and hopefully your Messenger should work. So for Android user, what you need to do is go on your setting, search for reset all network setting, and once it shows you reset network setting, go on there and reset your network setting. All right, so it's that simple. And the other thing you can do is you can offload your Messenger. Offloading your Messenger means clearing all your data of Messenger. So for iPhone user, this process is called offloading, and for Android user, this process is called clear all data. All right, so if you guys are an iPhone user, you can go on setting and offload your Messenger and reinstall it again. And for Android user, you can go on your setting, you can clear all the data for Messenger, and basically try to log in into Messenger again, and it should fix it. And if all the thing which I said until now doesn't fix your problem, last option, delete your Messenger, reinstall it again. This should fix your problem. So that's how we guys can do it. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye everybody, have a nice day.